Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I was lucky enough to partner up with my friends at RBC. We are going to share my story and take you guys along a little bit of a different thrifting adventure using my RBC Rewards Plus Visa card. So let's just get right to it. I started Soleil because, well, primarily my love for thrifting, and I started filming my thrift trips for you guys. And a lot of you guys really loved the things I was showing. I had a few messages from people saying, you know, I'd buy that off of you if you could get that. I really love that piece. It helps to put less of a footprint on our planet. And that's why I started Soleil, because I'm giving items the opportunity to live a second life. And although that may not be with me, I'm helping you guys walk a little lighter on the earth as well. So we've arrived at our first spot. This booth, this is an antique mall. It's got like baskets hanging from the ceiling. Let's see what we can find. I'm really into like mirrors lately. I find that they can just make a space look really cool. Beautiful bowls. I really like this guy. Found these really cool wicker lamp bases. So basically you would just run the wiring through these. So I usually try to set aside a day just to source specifically for the store. It's a day with no pressure, you know, where I can just be in my element. I source for my store in a plethora of places: thrift stores, antique malls. I love garage sales, estate sales especially, flea markets. I try to visit as many as I can throughout the day, and I'll be frank with you guys, Soleil Pieces is a one-woman machine, but sometimes it's nice to have that little bit of help. I make a lot of purchases throughout the day. Every single thing that I buy goes on my RBC Rewards Plus Visa. Now, this is the perfect collaboration for this video because I earn points that in return, I have the ability to use to pay off my credit card balance. So it's helping me, a small business owner, save even more money because just by using my card, which I was gonna do that anyways because I had to purchase the pieces, I actually get more of a discount because I'm able to use those points to pay off my balance. This really struck my eye. Definitely something I could consider selling in Soleil. Starting my own shop has been such an amazing learning experience. Like I said earlier, Soleil is a one-woman show, and there's so much more to owning a store than I thought. Like, you know, paying for your website use, your website URL, shipping supplies, gas. It's nice to know that I'm getting a little bit of a break simply by purchasing things with my card and being able to use those points that I'm given to pay off the balance. Being a small business owner, you look for those small things to kind of be on your side and help you get through, and it really helps you follow your passion, because when things like that are easier and when you're saving more money and your overhead isn't crazy high, that love and that excitement for what you do tends to stand a little bit more. I thought I'd do like a kind of mini haul for you guys. So this is all stuff that's going to be in the store. This is an amazing vase. It looks like that. You can put a little, you know, dried flower in it or something. I can't remember what these are called for the life of me, but this is something that you would essentially put like hot plates on. It has all dried flowers in it, which I think is absolutely stunning. Vintage Pinocchio book. Now, this guy is actually a tray. He's a wicker tray and he's pastel pink. But what I think would be amazing for this guy is if you were to mount him on the wall. That's all I'm going to show you. You guys also saw a lot of the stuff that I bought in the last place we went. I kind of gave you like a sneak peek of the stuff I found there. So again, if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, then that is all coming soon to the store. We are all different. So whether we are running a store, whether we are in school and working a part-time job, we work hard for our money, and we should have the flexibility and choice to redeem our points however we want for whatever we want. I just wanted to share how this card makes life easier for a small business owner like myself. Like I said, I am self-employed, so this guy just helps make my life that much easier. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing kind of what a day in the life of sourcing for Soleil Pieces is. Like I said, if you guys are into any of these things, they will be live on the site soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me today. This was a blast, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. you.